Modern KFC supply begins at controlled poultry farms designed for consistent, hygienic chicken production.
Each flock is monitored to meet strict food safety and quality standards before processing.
Automated feeding systems ensure uniform growth and consistent meat texture.
Temperature-controlled logistics protect freshness from farm to factory.
Birds are carefully prepared for transport to minimize stress and preserve meat quality.
Fresh chicken begins its tightly timed journey to the processing plant.
Every delivery is logged, traced, and verified for food safety compliance.
Precision docking maintains uninterrupted cold conditions. Cold chain transport prevents bacterial growth and preserves raw quality.
Approved supplier factories handle all large-scale poultry processing.
Weight verification ensures consistent batch processing downstream.
Electric vehicles prevent emissions while operating in sealed food-safe zones. The chicken now enters the controlled factory environment for processing. Inside the factory, temperature-controlled conveyors preserve freshness from the first step on.
Buffer zones regulate supply, ensuring continuous production without overload.
Multi-level factories use vertical transport to optimize workflow and space. Automated logistics systems route poultry efficiently without human handling.
Overhead systems keep logistics flowing.
External crate surfaces are sanitized before entering processing zones.
Behind every KFC meal stands a vast industrial facility built for speed, hygiene, and scale.
External logistics operate continuously to support non-stop production inside. Strict perimeter control protects food safety and supply integrity. Every person and vehicle entering the plant is digitally logged and verified. Hundreds of trained staff rotate through shifts to maintain continuous production. Proper protective equipment prevents contamination at every stage. Hygiene control begins before workers ever reach the production floor. Mandatory sanitation checkpoints reduce microbial risk before entry. Beyond these doors lies the controlled processing environment. Clear visual systems guide workers and materials through safe pathways. The facility operates like a living system, every section precisely timed.
Batch grouping ensures smooth downstream processing flow. Pre-processing is complete, and the chicken is ready for full industrial transformation.
Automated unloading minimizes human contact and
Intelligent conveyor logic routes poultry to the correct processing sequence.
trained inspectors identify any visible irregularities before processing begins.
Internal logistics seamlessly deliver raw poultry into active production zones.
Temperature control slows bacterial growth and preserves freshness.
Size grading ensures precision trimming prepares chicken for standardized processing. Size, shape, and orientation in real time. The chicken now approaches the heart of the processing operation.
Controlled drainage prevents dilution during later processing stages.
Exact coating volumes guarantee uniform texture and taste. Continuous motion ensures complete, even coverage. Removing excess coating prevents clumping during cooking. Signature coating blends are mixed with industrial precision. Industrial tumblers evenly distribute seasoning deep into the chicken fibers. Controlled resting time allows marinades to fully absorb. Pressure fryers seal the environment to lock in moisture and flavor. Pressure regulation maintains safety while preserving cooking efficiency.
Each batch follows a precisely timed cooking cycle.
High-pressure frying creates KFC's signature crispy exterior while keeping meat juicy.
The transformation from raw to fully cooked is complete.
Moisture balance is critical for crisp texture and oil control.
Proper alignment ensures consistent cooking performance.
Excess oil is removed to achieve the ideal crispy finish.
Resting stabilizes the crust and locks in texture. Automated tactile tests verify the signature KFC crunch.
Human verification ensures every piece meets KFC's exacting quality standards.
QC ensures each serving matches KFC's strict portion specifications.
Portions are carefully packed into branded boxes ready for shipment.
Programmable logic controllers synchronize every moving component. High-speed robotics maintain output without compromising precision. Smart sensors adapt flow instantly to prevent bottlenecks. Human oversight ensures automation stays within strict parameters. Merged flow prepares product for final refinement.
Automated calibration keeps every batch visually identical.
Redundant scanning eliminates any risk of contamination. Only portions passing all QC checks advance to storage and dispatch.
Labels guarantee traceability and ensure product integrity.
Automated palletizing accelerates warehouse throughput while maintaining stability.
The factory operates as a synchronized system, efficiently delivering products to meet global demand. Digital tracking ensures accurate stock management and traceability.
Freshly packed chicken begins its journey to distribution centers worldwide. This concludes the journey from raw poultry to crispy KFC perfection.